Hey everybody, welcome to ThaiTube, and I hope you enjoyed today's episode. We have got our hands on an Elite Trainer box, Chilling Reign. My first Swords and Shield Chilling Reign Elite Trainer box. Super excited to see what we can pull today. Let's go. On my channel, I'm all about sharing positive vibes, positivity in this world, growing community that we can share, each other's cool experience, pull some awesome Charizards or Venusaurs or Blastoise, see some cool pulls, man. I'm all about positivity. This world is full of evil and bad. I want to develop a community where we are all about positivity. We are here for one another. We are, not just the Pokemon community, we are in the community of life. If you like my content so far, if you find it mildly entertaining, like some of the stuff that I'm doing, please like, comment, subscribe. It means the world to me. Alright, stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. We have 8 packs to open. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Here is the code card. Alright. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Pack number 1. Oh man, it's been a long day. Green. No good. Well, that's pack number 1. Let's see what we get with pack number 2. I'm just super excited, guys. I haven't really opened much Chilling Reign Swords and Shield packs. So to get my hands on this ETB that I got, again, at Walmart. Walmart does not fail. So I'm super lucky, super excited. Pick this up 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. 1. Coldus. Marie. Routes. Task Form. Trainer. Ooh. 2 dud packs in a row. Maybe we will get a change. Maybe we will pull something better. Instead of pulling those green code cards. Let's hope we pull a white code card. Because I hear that if you have a white code card, you have to pull a better card. Oh, a green code card again. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Energy. Drizzle. Dynatree Hill. Justified Gloves. Porygon. Grookey. Marie. Rock Ruff. Swirlix, reverse hollow. Okay. First hit of the day. Reverse Swirlix. Here we go. Pack number 4. We are already halfway. Come on. Don't be a dud pack. Don't be a dud Elite Trainer pack, guys. Send me some vibes. Send me some positive vibes. Send me some luck. Again, a green code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Scroll of the Skies. Kirlia. Fog Crystal. Snorunt. Bound Sweet. Kubfu. Inkay. Diglett. Reverse Hollow Blitzel, and a Volcanion. Ah, 2 duds. I mean, not 2 duds, but we are not on the right track here. Somebody, put me on track. Get us on track. Charizard. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Send some luck our way. Green code card again. Code card 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fire Energy. Porygon 2. Raboots. Scroll of the Skies. Lapras. A Blitzel. Aaron. Deerling. Delibird. Again. A reverse Blitzel and a Galarian Weezing. Oh. Alright, let's push our luck then. Let's push our luck and let's get 3 of these guys, right? If we're failing, let's fail harder. fail forward, right? Well, pack number 3 left. 3 packs left. 3 packs left. Maybe the tides will turn and the Pokemon gods will be on our favor. We have a Lapras. Ooh, white code card. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Something's in there, I hope. Something special. Lucky Energy. Porygon 2. Raboot. A Lapras. A Deerling. Galarian Slowpoke. Ooh, okay. A Coughing. Galarian Yamask. A Trainer Caitlyn. And a... Oh! Okay. A gold. We struck gold. Bronzong. Alright, guys, we pulled a gold card. Alright, it matches right with them right there. Wow, that is an awesome looking card. The quality, not bad. PSA 10, yes. Slip in a little $10 under the the form. Maybe they will give it a PSA 10. No, I am not sending in anything anytime soon with all the increased price. Oh my gosh, it's ridiculous. Maybe one day I'll send this guy. But we struck gold. Wow. Put that right there. 2 packs left. 2 packs. Wow. Wow. Let's go, baby. That is a beautiful card. I'm not going to lie. I thought we were going to strike out today. Oh,
strike 3 call.
But that, I guess, makes up for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blue Water. Trainer. Honey. Drizzle. Shuppet. Kabfu. Blitzel. Quillfish. Galarian Slowpoke. Ooh, I would love to pull one of these guys. Castform and a Banette. Man, we have 1 pack left. Of Chilling Reign. Hey, we didn't truly take an L on this Elite Trainer box. We pulled the Bronzong Gold card. Evolves from Bronzor. White code card, please. Ooh, white code card. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lightning Energy. Honey. Impact Energy. Path to the Peak. Furfrou. Venipede. Spheal. Crabcrawler. Golett. Marsheep, and holographic Porygon. Z. Okay. Not bad. The centering is off, but I'm gonna sleeve it up anyways because this is a win. I think for today. Comment below, guys. Was this ETB a win or a loss? Let me know what you think. Win or a loss? Also, what card is your favorite that you want to pull from the Chilling Reign that you have not pulled yet? Is it a Bronzong? Well, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm happy. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Stay tuned. I hope everyone stays well. If you like my content so far, if you find it mildly entertaining, like some of the stuff that I'm doing, please like, comment, subscribe. It means the world to me. All right, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy.